Bitcoin just had a beautiful bounce off of this key level. Today in this video, we're going to examine this bounce, smaller time frame. I'm going to show you guys the trades I am looking out for, what I am planning on this wave to do in the near future. You're not going to want to miss this. I'm going to make this so quick for you guys, just straight to the point. If you're new to the channel, if you're returning, take a second, like the video. I appreciate it. Show me love. Leave a comment down below. As always, if you think all-time high is in, or if we're going for all-time high one more time to take this sucker out, I want to know in the comments below. Let's get into it. All right, just not going to go over longer term time frame. We're really going to examine this wave here that we're in the process of. But this is the overall structure that I'm looking at, just so you can have some perspective. This is Elliott Wave theory. If you're new to Elliott Wave, get used to it. You need to know Elliott Wave, in my opinion, to be a legitimate trader and make money in these markets. It changed my life. It can change yours too. All right, so I have just really a correction down to our targets. Is it done? It has a really good chance of being done, guys. I'm not gonna lie. We have a WXY. Yes, this can come up and then come back down for one more hit to the low, but targets were reached. If you watched my previous videos, these were the targets I was looking at back when we had this move to the downside. We were short for all of this, wanted to come down and hit these targets, decided to come up on us and then come back down again. So be it. Targets were reached, and now I'm looking for a reversal here. I am looking for a reversal here. I wanted this to come down and reverse here. That would have looked better to take out all-time high and then dump. We have a move like this. So what does this mean longer term time frame? I'm expecting more of a finished wave to come up and then correct back down in corrective fashion, but that's neither here nor there. What are we here for? Smaller term time frames. Stick with me, guys. Now, before we get into this real quick, linked in the description below. If you're new to Elliott Wave, if you want to know what I'm up to, click on the description and check out the Discord. Free Discord linked in the description. Also my premium for daily alerts. I have a full Elliott Wave course in there. Free indicators, 24/7 live charts. Upgrade here. Code 25 off gives you $25 off the first month if you want to give it a try. I'm running that promo right now. And if you want to actually trade this action here, these trades that I'm going to show you, check out Blowfin. They're no KYC. It's what everyone's using now. It's what I'm using. The link in the description gives you 15% back on your deposits. It's a free 15% gain on your account, on your initial deposits. And then you can trade with your deposits and your 15% up to win a Rolex watch with your trading volume. So capitalize on that. Take advantage of that. Check them out. This is running through August 18th with the link in the description below. Let's get into this. So this structure at a glance from the bottom, right now, it is looking a little bit corrective. We have hit our corrective pocket here. I just pulled, I'll get rid of this to tell you how I got it. I just pulled a trend-based fib extension, and we are right in the corrective pocket. Beautiful zone to possibly come back down and test the lows again. I honestly don't think we're going to come back and test the lows again. What I think is happening here is we have a nice bounce. We're going to threaten to test the lows again. Hopefully a bunch of shorts pile in. But ultimately what I'm looking at is a 1-2 impulsive wave. That's the start of it. And then here I have a 1, and then all this is an ending diagonal. Looking for a 2 wave to come down. I really don't want to break this trend line on our initial 1-2. What I am looking for, and here, let me just show you the ending diagonal, something like that. What I am looking for is a correction to come down. We'll test the trend line, sweep liquidity, maybe just slightly break the trend line, really scare everyone. Sweep all this liquidity right here, and then that's going to be our second 1-2 of a more minor degree for our big wave to the upside. And stick with me, because I'm going to show you a different count as well that we might be experiencing. But I did want to bring this to your attention today, guys, and keep you updated on what's going on. So we have our initial 1-2, second 1-2, looking for a big time 3, 4, 5, right? And then 4, 5. All right. Something to that effect. This could get a little bit more impulsive. Let's map out what that looks like. 3, 4, 5, 4, and then all-time high, right? That's your wave right there that we could be in the beginning stages of after a small correction. That would take out all-time high. That's what we're looking for. There's so much liquidity lying up here. There's so much liquidity lying up here. There's so much shorts, so many shorts that piled in, liquidity lying up here. This looks like something of the sort to be the move. Now, I'm going to show you a different count as well. Real quick, this different count is saying that we have not finished our move to the downside. We'll see as this progresses to the upside how much liquidity builds down here, right? Because it's all based on where the liquidity's at. Right now, looking at our indicators, daily RSI is down. I mean, this, looking at the daily, guys, we have a nice thick wave. We have a nice, hopefully a skinny wave. We have this. We have some divergence put in on RSI, right? This is primed to come up to all-time high. It's ready. It looks beautiful. I would say there's an 80% chance that this bounces and goes towards all-time high right now. I'm making that call right now. 80% probability that we head up towards all-time high and take out all-time high right now. There's a lot of fear in the market after that last dump, and it really wasn't that bad. So what else could we be experiencing? Well, let's remove our drawings. This could be a correction to the upside where we're going to put in more of a WXY. So we have an A, B, C, right? So instead of a 1, 2, 1, 2, it's an ABC. Then we get more of a corrective wave down like so. Something like that. Still come and take this liquidity out. And then instead of a pump up to all-time high, we get more of a corrective wave that comes up and takes all the shorts that piled in, takes them all out. That could be the move, my friends. And that's just a WXY, right? WXY, correction to the upside. And then we'll see if liquidity has built down here, and we can come back down, take out the lows again. And then your WXY would still be something like that. That would be a correction to the downside. Alright? And then from there, we can maybe come up and take all-time high out again. As far as a monster move to the downside, I'm very skeptical on this monster move to the downside now. Unless you say this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is some type of a, you know, leading diagonal action, which it could be the case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is your ABC correction. Not a pretty ABC. It looks more impulsive to me. But that's your ABC correction. And then we could be starting our big leg to the downside. But in my opinion, guys, there's just too much liquidity to the upside right now to have this monster move. It could happen, but not likely in my opinion. So I'm really gearing up to go take out all-time high again. That's what I'm looking for. That's what my trades are taking into consideration. Join the Discord if you want to stay up to date with what I am doing. If you want daily alerts, join the Discord. The premium Discord, $25 off. If you watch this video all the way through, smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I love each and every single one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.